Pro just got a whole lot more pro. That's because the engineers at Toyota Racing Development just took the wrenches to the already legendary Tacoma TRD Pro, bringing its off-road dominance to a new level for 2022. Wondering how? Let's find out. First and foremost, the suspension. We're not just talking about the 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass coilovers and rear remote reservoir shocks. We're also talking about a massive 1.5 inches of lift up front, along with a 1/2-inch lift in the rear, enough to make child's play out of all but the biggest obstacles. On top of that, the suspension now features an all-new TRD upper control arm made of billet aluminum, with a strong and lightweight design further ensuring TRD Pro's capability on nearly any terrain, thanks to additional wheel travel. And speaking of terrain, this truck has no trouble getting the power to the ground with its newly designed TRD Pro wheels wrapped in wider Goodyear tires. And don't forget, this is all on top of Tacoma's amazing off-road traction management systems like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an electronically controlled locking rear differential. But what's the best way to drive home all of this added performance? Killer looks to match. That's why, for 2022, TRD Pro sports an exclusive TRD Pro bed stamp, a unique new hood graphic, and a wild electric lime paint color, a brand new green only offered on TRD Pro and guaranteed to turn heads from across the canyon and beyond. But if you're not in it for the attention, there's plenty of other colors available for TRD Pro. And like before, this V6-powered 4-wheel drive double cab is offered with either a confidence-inspiring 6-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual for those seeking full control. Building on over 50 years of legendary Toyota off-road heritage, Tacoma is the real deal. And that commitment to quality, durability, and reliability is as evident as ever in this latest iteration of the top-spec TRD Pro grade. For 2022, its unstoppable capability is packaged up with state-of-the-art standard technology like the Toyota Safety Sense suite of active safety systems and a full-featured audio multimedia system. And like all Tacomas, it brings along great long-term ownership perks like excellent cost-to-own estimates and resale values. And of course, the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance. All told, it's no surprise this winning formula has made Tacoma the best-selling small-size pickup truck in America. 16 years and counting.